In this video, I'll guide you through how to create quotes in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a professional quote and send it to a customer, all from inside your Xero account. Let's start right at the beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Sign in using your own login details as you normally would. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one business. In Xero, you should land on the main dashboard where you can see your accounts, invoices, and other key information. From the dashboard, we're going to move into the quoting area. To do that, look for the main navigation menu near the top of the screen and click on Sales. This is where Xero keeps everything related to money coming into your business, including invoices, customers, and of course, quotes. If you don't see sales straight away, it might be grouped under a business or similar menu, depending on your Xero layout, but the wording will be very close. Once you've clicked Sales, you'll see a list of options related to your sales process. Here, click on Quotes. This takes you to the Quotes Overview page. On this page, you can see any quotes you've previously created along with their status, such as draft, sent, or accepted. This area is really useful for tracking which customers you're waiting to hear back from and following up when needed. Now we're ready to create a new quote. On the quotes page, look for a button that says New Quote and click it. This opens up a fresh quote template. Think of this as a digital form where you'll fill in all the details your customer needs in order to approve the work or purchase. Next, start entering the quote details. Begin by choosing the customer you're quoting. You can usually select an existing contact from the drop-down list, and if the customer isn't in your system yet, you can add them as a new contact right from here. Check that their email address is correct because this is where the quote will be sent. After that, set the date of the quote and, if needed, the expiry date. An expiry date helps encourage a timely response and make sure your pricing doesn't stay open-ended. Then, move down to the line items section. Here, you'll add the products or services you're quoting for. For each line, choose the item, enter a clear description, quantity, price, and the correct tax rate. Take your time to make sure everything is accurate because this is exactly what the customer will see. You can also adjust the title or description at the top of the quote to make it more specific and add any notes or terms at the bottom, such as payment terms or special conditions. Once you're happy with all the details, review the total amount and double check spelling, numbers, and customer information. When everything looks correct, you're ready to send it. Click Send. Xero will usually show you a preview of the email that will go out with the quote attached. You can customize the message to sound more like your business and then confirm to send it. That's all it takes. You've just created and sent a quote in Xero, and your customer can now review and respond, helping you move smoothly from quoting to getting the work approved.